Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Perception of Nigeria has been that of layback, corruption, and giants of Africa with elephantiasis. But that is gone. The realization of that hope is here. The belief is here. The change of the perception is right here. Forget the categorization of corruption. Forget it. It won't happen no more. Don't give and don't take. We are here as a team to change that perception, to make you believe, particularly the private sector. I am glad I'm here in Riyadh, and you have Aramco connection to Deloitte. I cut my teeth as an accountant, fresh from university with Deloitte. Aramco was one of the dreams of our junior entrance because the allowances and opportunity in diversified economic base was here then. What Nigeria has to offer, you've enumerated very effectively with a great understanding that we are blessed with a large population. This population is full of can-do attitude, young, vibrant, and well-educated human capacity. Equally, Nigerian consumer is necessary for the economic growth of the continent. So the elephantiasis is killed from this moment on. There are